Okay, a very static start, but 11,700 here for the Nifty. So don't really go by the percentage figures. That's irrelevant. Go by the headline number because that is going to give you a reason to celebrate. Where are we for the Sensex? Are we comfortably at that 39,000 mark? Yes, we are. And you got to, again, just rub your eyes in disbelief. Soon we will be celebrating 40K as well on the indexes. Good market breadth, but I want to talk about the individual stocks which are going to be in focus. Perhaps two-wheelers may not really have the best of trading sessions today. Both Hero Motorcorp as well as Eicher Motors and the sales numbers for the month of March have disappointed. Eicher, of course, has other news as well. It's Vinod Dasari who's going to be overtaking now Siddharth Lal and step into the CEO's shoes. Eicher then, it is holding out well. I mean, it could also be just a play of valuations. Eicher has been so beaten down, has consistently persisted at that 52-week low, so maybe some buying seen there at the lower levels. But aside of that, S&P, and they've reaffirmed the Tata Steel rating. They continue to maintain a positive outlook. Metals, in any case, have been having their days in the sun off late, but Tata Steel is a little bit tempered. Vedanta holding out well. I'm going to see what Hindalco as well is up to. Since we're talking about Tata Steel, what about the other Tata Group name? That's Tata Motors along with its DVR. What a solid move coming in on both these stocks yesterday. Today it's flattening out at 187 thereabouts. Cottage Properties, this one is going to be a surprise mover today. They posted record home sales in the quarter gone by, and it's a gap-up start for Cottage Properties, holding up about 6% as we speak. Then I want to talk about what ICICI Bank, what HDFC Bank as well as Axis may be up to in trade, given that they saw that slight bit of profit-taking come in the 9 minutes of trade yesterday. Right now as well, that same trend continues wherein they are pretty quiet and lackluster, although there are other ones like an SBI and Yes Bank which are catching up. What is BOB up to now that it's the third largest lender in the country, the second largest PSU lender? In its new iftar, the power of three with the merger of Dana as well as Vijaya, BOB starts off rather tempered. But Nikunj, no cause of complaint when it comes to the market. But today it seems like at least the start is more consolidation rather than an uptrend.
Is, I think, actually in healthy signs. Either clarification has come that promoters have not sold, lenders have not sold, promoters had some liquidity issue. Now that the bright side of this is that the lenders are not panicking. Then a dim side of this is that promoters are completely cash strapped and some more selling cannot be ruled out. I mean, markets make a view right now. The view on the stock is not all that great, even though the deal is around the corner. Hexaware Technologies is looking strong. Stocks at a 52-week high. Not a whole host of stocks at a 52-week high. But Varun Beverages, I think the summer effect, a sudden sudden view that look, this is a company where business will grow. Pepsi as a brand will grow. It's almost a monopoly business now. So markets, I think, are really revaluing that. Rise and shine was the word for Tata Motors yesterday. I think that has reversed completely. And if I have to really, spot some odd ones out, and if I really have to spot something purely based on volume transaction, I think it is Eicher, it is Z, and to a large extent, market action, I think, is shifting back or shifting away from autos very, very clearly. And today banks also, Abha, I'm afraid they are looking slightly puffy-duffy.